The independence of Estonia in the early 1990s marked a historic achievement for the nation and its people. Emerging from the collapse of the Soviet Union, Estonia embarked on a remarkable journey towards sovereignty, self-determination, and the establishment of a modern democratic state. This article delves into the historical context, challenges faced, and the enduring impact of Estonia's path to independence. Historical background: Estonia's quest for independence was deeply rooted in a history marked by foreign domination and occupation. Throughout the centuries, Estonia experienced the rule of various empires, including the Swedes, Germans, and Russians. After gaining independence briefly following the end of World War I, Estonia was incorporated into the Soviet Union in 1940, leading to decades of Soviet control. Singing Revolution. The late 1980s witnessed the emergence of the Singing Revolution, a series of peaceful protests and demonstrations that sought to assert Estonia's national identity, cultural heritage, and political autonomy. Through mass gatherings, including the iconic Singing Revolution events, Estonians demonstrated their determination for self-determination and unity, ultimately paving the way for independence. Restoration of Independence. On August 20, 1991, Estonia's Supreme Council declared the restoration of the country's independence, reaffirming its sovereignty and right to self-governance. The declaration was followed by a referendum in which an overwhelming majority of Estonians voted in favor of independence, solidifying their commitment to charting their own course. Challenges faced. Estonia's path to independence was not without challenges. The transition from a Soviet-controlled system to an independent nation presented numerous hurdles. Economic restructuring. The establishment of democratic institutions and the reorientation towards a market-based economy demanded resilience, adaptation, and innovative approaches. Estonia had to navigate the complexities of state building while simultaneously forging a national identity and pursuing international recognition. Democratization and reforms. Following independence, Estonia embarked on a transformative journey of democratization and modernization. The country implemented wide-ranging reforms to establish democratic institutions, promote the rule of law, protect human rights, and build a market-oriented economy. These efforts propelled Estonia toward becoming one of the most digitally advanced nations, renowned for its e-governance, technological innovation, and digital infrastructure. European integration and global recognition. Estonia's independence also paved the way for its integration into the European community. The country aspired to join the European Union and NATO, reflecting its commitment to shared values of democracy, freedom, and cooperation. Estonia's successful accession to these organizations further solidified its place on the global stage and provided new opportunities for economic growth, security, and international collaboration. The restoration of independence for Estonia in the early 1990s represents a remarkable achievement in the nation's history. Through the peaceful and determined efforts of its people, Estonia emerged from the shadows of foreign domination to establish itself as a modern, democratic, and technologically advanced nation. The journey towards independence not only shaped Estonia's identity, but also served as an inspiration to other nations striving for self-determination. Today, Estonia stands as a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief in the inherent rights of a nation to chart its own destiny.